Welcome to our informative journey into the world of computer hardware. Ever wondered what lies beneath the sleek exteriors of your computer? Today, we're diving into the basics of computer hardware components, essential for anyone looking to understand the core of their computing machines. Computer hardware refers to the physical elements that make up a computer system, encompassing everything from the hard drive to the processor. Next, we move on to storage devices, integral for keeping your documents, media, and programs. Primarily, there are two types of storage: HDDs, hard disk drives, and SSDs, solid-state drives. HDDs are the older mechanical types known for their spinning disks and higher capacity options. On the other hand, SSDs, although typically pricier, offer speedier data access times and reliability as they contain no moving parts. Observe the compact, chip-based configuration of SSDs compared to the larger disk-contained structure of HDDs.